participating in the Global Infusion Programming Contest, the first of its kind actually, across all our offices in Toronto, New York, London, Dubai, Krakow, Warsaw, and Malta, which is very exciting. This is actually a unique event. It's really to match the technical wits, put the technical wits of all the employees of our offices against one another. So it's to create a spirit of camaraderie, of technical one-upsmanship, really to be innovative, which is what Infusion is all about. And we are actually one of the first organizations to run a contest like this globally across multiple offices, which is pretty cool. 3, 2, 1, Infusion, begin!
The contest entails a large number of us sitting in a very small, cramped room, working on programming problems and trying to solve them while drinking beer and eating food.
The competition consisted of a set of, I think, 12 problems. The idea was to solve as many of them as you could, as fast as you could.
It's about 63 folks across all of our 8 offices, and of about 300 developers have risen to the challenge, and we're going to see who comes out on top. We have a lot of offices worldwide, and it's all timed so that all of the offices are working together. In Dubai and Poland, they're way ahead at the end of the day. Here we're at the very beginning, and it's all a real-time competition amongst absolutely everybody.
Poland is the office to beat. I will also say Toronto might have a lot of people.
Definitely Poland. Krakow would be very hard to beat. I expect like 1 or 2 people there to take it.
Poland might do very, very well. Toronto has no game. New York or Poland, it's going to.
I think the questions were pretty easy. Yes, I think there were too many simple problems.
Contestants don't know this, but the problem set they are doing is actually the same problem set that is being used in an ACM regional contest this morning. So what that means is that to qualify for the World Finals, if you're a school in Britain, let's say, before you can just go to the World Finals, you have to beat the other best schools in the UK. So the problem set that we are using today is the same problem set that is being used in an ACM regional that started 2 hours before our contest started.
I did about as well as I thought. I knew that there would be a few easy ones that everyone would get, or most people would get, and I got those. I knew there would be some that I would just look at and just say, well, no, not in this time.
I did okay. The first problem was pretty straightforward, but problem D was kind of a quagmire. Once I got in that, I was more or less determined to solve it.
For me, it was just fun. It's not often that we get to solve problems like this in our everyday jobs. Takes you a little bit back to some of the theory that you learned back in school, and to get to sort of solve problems like that, which are really more brain teasers than they are like business problems that we typically do.
I beat Matt Pavelko, and Steve Ellis was too afraid to show up, so I feel I did pretty good.
Whoever won cheated.